Yeah, 920. Replicate started refreshing configuration file. So yeah, fine, we are good. We are good for failover. Close this and go to your primary vault and stop the private server. I'll stop from here. Yeah. Here we would not have the PDR because the service is not installed. Yeah. In the same server. In the server, go to Firewall. Close that window and reopen again and see or just select outbound or something. And again navigate inbound. Here you can see DB main rules got deleted automatically and the power agent is there. Because we have created that, a power agent system positive to that 90224 to got enabled from the wall. So whenever you start the server, then only the rules will be displayed in the firewall settings. So we configured for automatic. So just wait for 3, 4 minutes or 5 minutes. It will start automatically. Should I keep this window open? That's it. Keep this window open and maximize that folder file explorer also. So we need to check the log files. I will show you a few things in that. Just open PDR log once it's the something. Maximus. So it is saying attempt to test the world availability for code 1. So above you can see timeout had expired. So it is trying to reach to the production world, but it is unable to reach. So, like this, it will try to reach for 5 times. So it will attempt to test the world availability for code 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So after 5 attempts then it will trigger the failover process. So in the process first it will replicate. I mean, see, in this we have data, it saves and metadata. So it will do some activity inside the database. Then it will start the private server service and it will terminate the register. So all that matter it will give in the log file. We will check that also. Some more. 24. Just scrolled. So it is checking for 30 seconds. That's for every 30 seconds, right? Yeah. Check interval is 30. Retry count is 5. So basically 13 to 5. 2.5 minutes. Yeah, 150 seconds. Close this and close the log. And again, let's see 24:25. Yes. 3 attempts. Can we change it again? Yeah. 7. But what's the best practice? I don't think anybody would tamper with that. So we have changed it for 7 in 1. Okay. So that means it will try for 7 times, for every 30 seconds. But any particular reason why you increased or maybe frequently getting network issues? So, due to that network issues, both nodes are up and running, primary and DR. Actually, primary is working fine. It is working as expected. But due to some network issues, DR is not able to reach to the primary and automatic failover be configured. So it is just starting the DR. Private server services on the DR. Okay. And that will flip the. And also we need to practically show that to network team. Otherwise they will blame. We don't know, and everything fine in networking. Always in any company, network team will argue like that. So what we did? We have configured one script in the DR. So it will be a ping for every 1 minute to the production world, and it will give one output log also. So whenever you see, if we, then immediately we will take that log, and if we see any request time, then and for. But only now running successful. I'm successful. It's coming up now. Now open the log one more time. Bottom. What did you say? Failover process started. ITIL process ended successfully. Only starting world service. And if you close again and open after some 15-20 seconds, it will be one more message like that, just a recovery service. Okay. Yeah, server is operate now. Open that log. We just started for the service. Why did you even? Okay, you do that error. It is given like a failover phase, but actually server got started. I think it's because of the LDAP part. Yeah. Close this now. Open PDR that I and A and see that failover mode parameter. It will change automatically to us. Earlier it was more. Right now it is automatically changed to S because this voltage in failover mode.